Hi everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. So let's go through each one and how it works. The first one is by Sephora, and I've been using these for a very long time. They're called Colorful Shadow and Liner Waterproof in the color Nacre Shimmer. And one of the reasons I really like this is because of this big fat crayon. And you know, eyeliner is hard, you all. You know, I don't really want to get it in my eye, but I know that I kind of like it. And this product is a twofer because I use it as a shadow as well. So let's see what this one looks like. The next one is by Clinique, and this is Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes in 04 Slate. Well, you know I like things that are quick. So here I go with this one. Let's see how this looks. When we talk eyeliner, we want to talk about a natural look with it. And for most mature women, depending on your eye color, grays, browns, and blues, and sometimes black are the right colors. I'm not a fan of black because I think it's too severe on light eyes, but I'm still going to show you anyway the look. So these are the colors that I've used, and they're all very good. My favorite is by Marc Jacobs, and it is called Midnight in Paris, and it's really a yummy color. It's really dark navy blue, but I wear that in the evening, and I really do like it because it feels so good going on, and then I kind of smudge it. So the next kind of eyeliner, it's by YSL in the color Couture Eyeliner number 2. I really wanted to try this out for you to see if I can give you some tips. You can see that little tiny paintbrush, you all. It's kind of difficult. So I'm going to try to show you how I put this on. I only put it on my upper lid. Well, whoops. That's how tricky this is to put on. Now, I'm going to go back and fix it up, but I've got pretty steady hands and it's challenging. Well, that's about as good as I'm going to do on that eyeliner, you all. So I say if you love liquid eyeliner, go for it, but have some time to put it on correctly. And it is tricky to get off as well. I think it's kind of a dramatic look. It's just not the one for me. The last eyeliner I want to talk about, I think it's called Cake. Here's a little pot and here's the brush. So let's get ready for this. My friend at the Jane Iredale counter said this is really going to help my look because it makes my eyelashes look so thick. Well, you practically have to be a contortionist to do this. So let's have a little fun and see if I can do it. So it's kind of like a thick paint, and you have to have this really narrow brush. So you're supposed to look down and put it on the lash line underneath your eyes. Okay, it's a little harder than you might think. So let's see if we like this look. So here we go. I think I'm going to be making some mistakes. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please like it and follow me on my channel, Show Me Beautiful.